5 things that are sabotaging your metabolism. These 5 things will slow your metabolism down, will stall and sabotage your weight loss and fat loss program. What's up, everybody? It's Brian with Applied Fitness, where our mission is to help motivate, educate, and empower you to become the best version of yourself. And I'll talk about these 5 things that you can avoid that sabotage your metabolism and makes it nearly impossible to lose weight. So, number 1 is not eating enough calories or skipping meals. It's kind of the same thing. And I put this number 1 because you know what? Honestly, I've done this in the past. I did this years ago. I thought, well, if I skipped the meals or if I didn't eat enough calories, then I would lose weight. It would be easier. I would save calories. It doesn't work that way. And in fact, it's just the opposite. When you skip meals or you don't eat enough calories, your metabolism actually slows down and shrinks, making it even harder to lose weight. What happens is your body holds on to that body fat and it doesn't want to release it. So if weight loss and fat loss is your goal, you want to make sure you're eating enough calories, because not eating enough calories, eating too few, is just as bad as eating too many. I know it doesn't make sense. Trust me on this, all right? Number 2 is not strength training. Strength training is the elixir that ignites the metabolism. Nothing will ignite your metabolism and help you to burn more calories, even at rest, than metabolism. Cardiovascular is good. It's good for the heart, good for the lungs, good for the soul, good for the body, but it's not that good to burn body fat. So you want to make sure you're doing the strength training. Number 3 is not getting enough sleep, because sleep is when your body rejuvenates, resets, and restores. So if you're not getting enough, you're not allowing your body enough time to rejuvenate. So in the ideal world, when you do your strength training workouts, it's during your rest, during your sleep is when your body repairs itself and you wake up rejuvenated and renewed, ready to go. Number 4 is you are not getting enough protein. Now, protein is so important. We're not talking about any kind of high protein Atkins or Cheeto or keto or anything like that. We're talking about just making sure you have sufficient protein at each meal. Think of your metabolism as a thermostat. Now, when you work out, you strength train, it ignites your metabolism, and that fat, that protein at each meal keeps the metabolism going, so you burn more calories, burn more fat. And last but not least, number 5 is you sit too much, because there's a major component of activity called non-exercise activity. And what that is, that's the calories that you expend doing everyday activities, the everyday chores. And if you sit all day and you don't get up and you don't move, that's going to shrink your metabolism as well. So there's 5 things that just sabotage your metabolism. Counteract those and you'll see results. Brian with Applied Fitness. Be great.